BatteryTime is the first application by Motalen available exclusively for the Android market. The application is available in Lite and Pro, with the latter costing only 99 cents. The Lite version is for anyone to try and get a feel for the features BatteryTime provides. When you decide to upgrade, the Pro version currently contains higher resolution status icons, additional colors for the widget text, and instant developer support for any questions users have. Moreover, in the near future it will be getting more time estimates and some other great features exclusively available for Pro users. Now to show you how to download and begin using BatteryTime. We launch the market application, do a quick search for Motalen. This now shows both applications that we currently offer. From there we can choose the Pro version. We get the application's description with some screenshots, and we go ahead and install it. Now the application itself is incredibly small, and on 3G or Wi-Fi it should only be a few moments. As you can see, BatteryTime Pro has now been installed, and we can pull down our notification and fire it up. The first screen you see is the selection for the phone, and from here we currently have every available Android phone listed. That tailors the time estimates specifically for that phone. Considering this is a Motorola Droid, we'd want to select that, and from there you're shown the main screen. This is where all the time estimates reside, and also shows the current battery percentage. Right now the battery is at 90%, and you can see the 5 time estimates that are given. The slider at the bottom allows you to hypothetically decide if you do have 19%, if that is sufficient for any percentage that you have. The main screen shows these time estimates for various scenarios and lets you know easily the time remaining for your phone model. Will your battery last for that 45-minute car ride while you want to browse the internet? Say you only have 30% battery. Let's find out. From there, we would know that yes, you would have an hour and 5 minutes, which is enough for a 45-minute car ride. Now we can open up the menu, reset the slider, and it brings you back to the 90% you started out with, which is the current battery level. If you have a custom battery, you can go to the settings at any time, decide that perhaps you have a custom battery that has double the capacity of the normal manufacturer battery. So we'd select it, and from there you can see the time estimates are directly computed for the new battery. And there's the main screen. From there we can go back and use the other great features BatteryTime offers, which are the widgets and the status bar icon. What you want to do is do a long press on your home screen, select the widgets, select BatteryTime, and right now it'll bring you to the configuration screen. The configuration screen will ask what we want to have showing and to what extent. This is where you can enable the status bar icon, an alert notification, the LED notification, and choose Celsius or Fahrenheit for the status bar information. So what we want to do is choose desired alert percentage, which we want to say is 30%. From there it shows 30%. We want to choose a black typeface for our widget text. We do want a status bar icon. We would like to choose Fahrenheit. So from there we configure the application, and as you can see we now have a widget that has black text showing the current percentage along with the status bar icon that is a higher resolution for the Pro model, which is at 90%. Say that we do not want to have the widget, we can simply hold it, throw it in the trash, and we still keep the status bar icon. We can still at any time pull it down, see real-time statistics on our battery, Also, it will take us directly back to the application, and the widget is gone from the screen. But perhaps you want to enable a higher notification for this, and we'll see what that does. So from here we can dynamically change the status bar information along with changing the notification percent level. So perhaps we want 100%. If anything is less than 100%, this will notify us. So we have configured 100%, the typeface color, the status bar icon, and that we do want it in Celsius. So we configure it. As you can see, we have a 90% red icon currently on the top to show that we have a low battery percentage underneath that user configured percent. If you do not want the status bar icon, you can go back to the widget screen and enter a -1 into the notification percent box, and that'll disable the status bar icon. And there it is, Motalen's first application, which is in the top 35 of all free tools and top 50 for paid tools. Join the hundreds of thousands of users currently and download it today.